I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, stay on top.
Mean looking car, black wheels. Ready for the drive back to Colorado.
Now I'm standing at the top. Used to dream about that Bentley, now I pull it off the lot. They didn't wanna see me when they mad, I made it off the block. The whole city know I'm hot, I'm the shit and they can stop it. This money bring a whole lot of hoes. It's suicidal every time I lift my doors. I couldn't imagine doing this shit when I was broke. Now we walk around with jewelry dipped in gold. Yeah, my pockets getting swole. She said she never miss a show. She fuck with me cause I'm a pro.
I just had to show this. Waze is completely on point because it is take me around all the traffic on the highway. Waze is fantastic.
I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, stay on top. I do it like it's my last shot, my last shot. We grinding every day. I pulled off in that foreign. She said her boyfriend's not important. I think that last night she was rolling. But now I gotta go, get right back to that door. Ain't no other way, I'ma give it all I got, all I got.
Ball work to me to the top, cheat ass to me to the lot. He roll a check and bought a drop. I got the internet going. From hand-me-downs up to fine finance. This goes out to my abusers and Sam Canadians. Keep spinning their head when the losers keep winning.
23, I stay on top, stay on top. I do it like it's my last shot, my last shot. We out here every day, ain't no other way. I'm out here dripping like a mop. I go hard, I never stop. Got Versace on my flops, you see diamonds. I got Louis on my sheets, work so hard I never sleep. Too drunk smoking by the beach, got her naked on a yacht. She get anything she want, she said please don't break my heart. But I can't never love no thought, I'm too busy chasing guap. I blow bags when I go shop, she can't wait for me to drop. I'm the man, bitch, what you thought? This money bring a whole lot of hoes. It's suicidal every time I lift my doors. I couldn't imagine doing this shit when I was broke. Now I walk around with jewelry dipped in gold. Yeah, my pockets getting swole. It's nothing that I can't afford. One last thing before I go. Make sure my casket dipped in gold. Get money, all I know. I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, stay on top. I do it like it's my last shot, my last shot. We grinding every day, ain't no other way. I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, stay on top. I do it like it's my last shot, my last shot. We out here every day, ain't no other way.
Because I'm thinking about you. Because I'm thinking about
So as you can see, it's super dirty right now from the drive back. We're all in all for a 25,000 mile car. It's pretty decent. Not so much on that wheel. Not so much on that wheel either. I mean, all the wheels should be refinished. That was pretty decent also. I mean, it's pretty good. But I mean, you do have scuffing like to it. There's another ding. Right there. There's another ding. Right here. So this was Rob Ferretti's 2011 Maserati Gran Turismo. It is now mine.
Lately I've been so conflicted. Lately I've been so conflicted. Lately I've been so conflicted, yeah.
They said, Eddie, where you at? Running up in my town, running laps. Niggas hit me every day about these tracks. Same niggas wouldn't even give me that way back. How about that? Tables turn on them, they should learn what they words worth. They don't deserve nothing, they've been working to hurt someone on the surface. They think they've earned something, earn nothing. They ain't worth it, just don't know that they ain't perfect. Mama said kill 'em with kindness, she wouldn't forget to remind us. She said that the devil was telling me get 'em, but that would be spreading the virus. And really they needed the guidance, and people like me should provide it. Yo, I ain't religious, but dope, this shit is the vision, and I be so blinded. Diddy used to call me Roach Boy as a kid, I ain't live in a clean house. Yeah, they threw dirt on me, put hurt on me, when a went and try to reach out. I was the one kid they would speak about. It's the same peak, ain't sweet, they switch speech, and they looking out for me now.
Lately I've been so conflicted. Trying to focus on a better vision, but a nigga can't progress in these conditions. Lately I've been so conflicted. I really had to work to go and get it. I remember I ain't had no pot to piss, and lately I've been so conflicted. I've been waiting all my life just to give back what they gave me. Lately I've been so conflicted. Hey, lately I've been so conflicted, yeah.
Lately I've been feeling on my own. A different life I used to live and now I'm grown. Memories are looking kinda strange, but I'm happy with myself, I can't complain. But lately shit is getting out of temperature, cause I'm feeling the rising of the pressure. Your passion that hurt me laughing, the enemy will not defend me. You snakes are cuffing the head as I rip you up from the end in disguise, and I see you shedding. So you and who's pretending that's real. I guess it come with the territory. Poetry in motion, emotion is what provokes it. You dead in the water, I am, you'll see an ocean. Y'all try to hurt me, I'll leave you bleeding open. Y'all can go and hate on me and whatnot. I made them bled, so I hit them with a buckshot. Thinking I could end it at my will, but I would rather watch you suffer knowing I'm on top of still.
Lately I've been so conflicted. Trying to focus on a better vision, but a nigga can't progress in these conditions. Lately I've been so conflicted. I really had to work to go and get it. I remember I ain't had no pot to piss, and lately I've been so conflicted. I've been waiting all my life just to give back what they gave me. Lately I've been so conflicted. Hey, lately I've been so conflicted, yeah. Lately I've been so conflicted.
I've been kicked when I was down, told I wasn't good enough, left in the dust when all I needed was love.
Lately I've been so conflicted.
And even then, I represent you all proudly because I know it's way bigger than you and me. It's about us and them. It's that versus the world.
Trying to focus on a better vision, but a nigga can't progress in these conditions. Lately I've been so conflicted. I really had to work to go and get it. I remember I ain't had no pot to piss, and lately